Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful with you guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you need to remove or replace purge control valves. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that on a 2.4 GDI engine, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be very similar and the location of the valve may be exactly the same. So let's explain how to do that now. So that actually, guys, may work on multiple generation Hyundai Tucson. Even if you have a different engine, it may still work. We'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, but many of the things will actually apply to multiple engines and multiple years Hyundai Tucson. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So, this right here, guys, this is the engine out of the vehicle. You don't need to remove your engine to do that. We simply have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. First, we're going to remove the upper engine cover. You just grab and pull it. It attaches with 4 rubber bushings to those posts right here. Make sure that the bushings are still not stuck on the posts. Once you do that, guys, okay, if you come right here, check it out now. You come to that device which is on the right side facing the engine on the cylinder head, or the left side if you're behind the steering wheel. Okay, that's known as a purge control valve. Now that valve, okay, has a line that goes to the intake manifold, and there will be another line that's cut right here, but that goes to the canister, which is the black box by the fuel tank. So what's the purpose of the purge valve? Now the canister will catch the fuel vapors from the fuel tank. Instead of releasing them in the atmosphere, we'll send them to the engine, okay, and we'll send them to that valve. That valve will open and we'll put them in the intake manifold and they will burn through the engine. That way you don't lose fuel in the form of vapors, and you don't lose, guys, okay, you don't pollute the atmosphere, so your car is efficient and we're not breathing all of those fumes. So that's what the valve does. It opens and closes. How you replace it? Okay, you need to disconnect the connector right here. Okay, that thing on the connector, push down and pull it out. Now, right here in the middle, okay, there is, okay, let me show you here quick, one tooth in the middle, metal tooth. You need to kind of like pry it down a little bit with a screwdriver. It might bend to pull it out. Here, you may need to disconnect the line that's coming from the canister. Okay, ours is cut, so we don't need to do that. Next, you have another line that's going to the intake manifold right there. So with pliers, we're going to remove that one. Okay, careful not to break it because the purge valve is plastic, and we'll have a special video that explains how to test it, how to test purge control valve on Hyundai Tucson, and simply pull it out. This is it, guys. This is the purge control valve. If you want to see where to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also, guys, if you need to see how to test the purge valve and symptoms of bad purge valve, all these videos will be on our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.